Hi, friends. Today we are going to discuss the concept of the Internet. First of all, the question: what is Internet? Explain briefly. Let us understand the definition of the Internet. The Internet is a global network of interconnected computers and devices that allows user to access and share information and devices, allowing them to communicate and exchange data. It means the Internet is a global network. It connects people and systems all over the world. It includes interconnected computers and devices. Devices like laptops, mobiles, tablets, and servers are linked together. Users can browse websites, read articles, watch videos, etc. Users can send files, share documents, or connect to printers, etc. Tools like email, social media, and video calls help people talk and stay connected. Data can be uploaded, downloaded, or transferred between users and systems. It enables users to access a wide range of services such as websites, emails, social media, online applications, and cloud storage. This means the Internet allows people to use different services. A wide range of services refers to many different types of online tools and platforms. Examples of services include websites means online pages with information, news or services. Email means sending and receiving electronic messages. Social media means platforms to connect, share, and communicate. Example Facebook and Instagram. Online applications means tools used over the internet. Example Google Docs, Zoom. Cloud storage means saving files online accessible from anywhere like Google Drive and OneDrive. In simpler terms, the internet gives people access to many digital tools and platforms for communication, information, work, and storage. Through standardized communication protocols, the Internet facilitates the sharing of information, resources, and media across vast distances, making it an essential tool for education, business, entertainment, and personal communication worldwide. It means the Internet uses common rules called protocols so all devices can understand and share data properly. The Internet helps people send and receive data like documents, videos, music, websites, etc. It works across the world from one country or continent to another instantly. Because of this, the internet has become very important. People use it for education, means online classes and study materials. Business means emails, online meetings, and e commerce. Entertainment means movies, games, and music. Personal communication means messaging, video calls, and social media. In simpler terms, all computers and devices follow the same set of rules called protocols so they can understand each other and share information easily. We will now discuss the history of the internet. The internet began in the 1960s with the creation of the first working model called ARPANET, means Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. It means the idea and development of the internet started during the 1960s. The very first version or system of the internet was created. The name of this first network was ARPANET. Advanced Research Projects Agency network was developed by the U.S. Defense Department's research agency known as ARPA. ARPANET allowed multiple computers to work on a single network, which was its biggest achievement at that time. It means ARPA stands for Advanced Research Project Agency Network. It was the first working model of the internet. ARPANET made it possible to connect several computers. These computers could communicate and share information using one common network. Yet that time, this ability to connect and communicate between computers was a major breakthrough. During the 1960s 70s, this was considered a huge technological success. ARPANET uses packet switching to communicate multiple computer systems under a single network. In October 1969, using ARPANET, first message was transferred from one computer to another. After that, technology continues to grow. It means ARPANET communicated data by breaking it into small packets and sending them individually across the network. This technology allowed several computers to connect and share a single network. The first successful message was sent from one computer to another using ARPANET in October 1969. This event marked the start of networking technology that would evolve into the modern Internet. After this milestone, computer networking technology continued to grow and improve rapidly. Let us understand how the Internet is set up. The Internet is set up using physical optical fiber cables, copper wires, and various other networking mediums such as LAN, WAN, and MAN. It means physical infrastructure. The Internet relies on physical cables for data transmission. Optical fiber cables are widely used for high speed, long distance communication. Copper wires, like DSL stands for Digital Subscriber Line, are also used mostly for short distances or older networks. Network devices such as routers, modems, switches, and servers help direct and manage internet traffic. These devices ensure data is sent and received correctly. Networking mediums. LAN means local area network. Connects devices in a small area like home, school, and office. MAN means metropolitan area network. Connects multiple LANs in a city or campus. WAN means wide area network. Covers large areas and connects cities or countries. The internet is the largest WAN. Internet Service Providers ISPs. ISPs connect users to the internet through their networks and infrastructure. They provide access to the internet via fiber, broadband, and mobile networks, etc. Data centers and servers. These host websites, apps, and online services. When you browse the internet, your request goes to these servers. Protocols and IP addresses. Internet works using standardized protocols like TCP or IP, which stands for Transmission Control Protocol, and Internet Protocol. Every device connected to the internet has an IP address for identification. To access the internet, even through 2G, PG, 4G, 5G, or Wi-Fi. Physical cable setups like optical fiber or copper wires are still required in the background. It means internet access is available through technologies like 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G, and Wi-Fi. These technologies provide wireless connectivity to users. However, still depend on physical infrastructure in the background. This infrastructure includes physical cables like optical fiber or copper wires. These cables connect mobile towers, routers, and data centers to the main internet network. So, Even if users connect wirelessly, the internet itself runs through wired systems at its core. The ICANN Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, based in the USA, manages critical aspects of the Internet, including IP addresses, the domain name system DNS, and protocols that ensure the smooth functioning and global connectivity of the Internet. It means ICANN stands for Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers. It is based in the USA. ICANN manages key aspects of the Internet. IP address allocation, assigns and manages Internet protocol addresses. DNS management means oversees the domain name system, which translate domain names like www.google.com into IP addresses. Protocol parameter assignment means helps maintain technical protocols and standards for stable internet operations. To ensure the smooth functioning and global connectivity of the internet. Next, we will discuss the how does internet works. The actual working of the internet takes place with the help of clients and servers. In simpler terms, client means a device like a mobile, computer, or tablet that sends requests for data or services. Servers means a powerful computer that receives the request, processes it, and sends the required data or services back to the client. Clients and servers communicate using standardized internet protocols like HTTP, FTP, or SMTP. This communication happens over a network, LAN, WAN, or the internet. The client sends a request, example, opening a website. The server sends a response, example, the website's content. Example, when you set something on Google, Google's server processes it and returns results. Watching YouTube means your phone client requests the video. YouTube's server sends it to you. multiple servers for one service. Means big platforms like Facebook or Amazon use many servers to handle millions of clients at the same time. Servers are always online to respond to any client request. Clients are connected only when they need data or services. The entire internet works based on this client server model, from sending emails to streaming movies. Here, the client is a laptop directly connected to the internet. It means client refers to a device like a laptop that requests data or services from a server. Directly connected means the laptop is accessing the internet without intermediacy like routers, proxies, or other networks. Servers are computers connected indirectly to the internet, and they store all the websites in those large computers. It means servers are not ordinary computers. They are built to handle many requests at once. Servers are usually connected through data centers, firewalls, or networks, not directly like a home laptop. All the files, content, and databases of websites are stored on these servers. These servers are connected to the internet with the help of ISPs, Internet Service Providers, and are identified by a unique IP address. Just like your device needs internet, servers also need internet access to serve websites. ICPs provide the internet connection to these servers just like they do for homes. Every server has a special number, means IP address, so that other devices can find it online, like a postal address. Each website has its own domain name because it is difficult for people to remember long numbers or strings like IP addresses. It means every website on the internet is identified by an IP address, means a set of numbers. These numbers are hard for humans to remember. So, instead of IP addresses, websites are given domain names like google.com, which are easy to remember. The domain name system DNS helps match domain names to their corresponding IP addresses. The final explanation: websites use domain names because they are easier to remember than numerical IP addresses. When you search for a domain name in the browser's address bar, a request is sent to the server. It means you type a domain name, example www.google.com, into the browser's address bar. The browser sends a request to the domain name system DNS to find the IP address of that domain. Once the IP address is found, the browser sends a request to the web server located at that IP. The server receives the request and sends back the web page data to your browser. The browser then displays the website on your screen. The final explanation: typing a domain name in the browser sends a request to a server to load the website.